Hi guys, ChatGPT-4 is worth it if you're asking. Is it good to pay the $20 a month to use it, to have the full usage? Yes, of course. You need to do that. It's a must. Today I will cover only DALL-E. So DALL-E, you can create your own images and you can create the captions for that. So this is really amazing. What I wrote, a soft red sandy area with a hike trail at the end of the sand with a trail that goes in a rocky mountain. Guess what? I got something very similar to the fossil rock. I'm trying to give a message to for some of my friends. رفاق اللي بالعين. Give me a photo of a gathering in Al Ain Desert for dinner with Arab guys wearing white kandura and eating cooked sheep with rice. And so this is generated by DALL-E. This is another option, but I don't see myself. So what I said, please add me to the crowd in jeans and t-shirt. And here I am. So now I can tell him how I look like and I can be like depicted in a better way. But we can get the shape. So I need to say that I love it. So now I want you to create an image for me for a couple hiking on top of Wadi Shauka on full moon. And this is what I got, like night hiking. So you see the couple were putting their gears and on the top of the mountain with full moon. So I can use this. It is for my the organic business. So what I said, because I just like we are promoting the idea of box, and in the box we're putting organic honey, jam, or olive oil. So this is what I got. The question was very simple. Create an image for me. A gift box containing homemade honey and olive oil. And this is what I got. Now I said, give me more options with white box showing nostalgia for home. So this is the white box because the boxes that we did are white. And now I can put any corporate branding to these boxes. Next, I can say, give me more options and make it like homemade. So it is now writing something like homemade where I can send it to the designer. In another option, I said, please promote peace. So I got the peace sign on the box.